The United States has sharply stepped up its military deployment in the Middle East as tensions with Iran continue to rise, even as indirect talks over Iran's nuclear program are underway in Geneva. Washington has sent a large number of fighter jets and strengthened its naval presence in the region, signaling increased military readiness. This escalation comes at a sensitive time, with strong warnings issued by Iranian Supreme Leader Ayatollah Ali Khamenei and fresh military activity reported near the strategically important Strait of Hormuz, a key global oil shipping route. According to a report by the Jerusalem Post, based on information from Axios and a U.S. official, the U.S. military has moved over 50 fighter jets to the Middle East in a 24-hour span. This is part of a larger effort to build up air and naval power in the region, near Iran. Independent tracking of flight routes indicated that several of the world's most advanced fighter jets were en route to the region. These jets included F-16S, F-22S, and F-35S, some of the most advanced fighter jets in the world. The movement of these jets indicates the growing military presence of the U.S. as it becomes increasingly concerned about the nuclear ambitions of Iran. The U.S. has also been increasing its naval presence, indicating that it is readying itself for any eventuality even as it engages in diplomatic efforts. As the U.S. military buildup progressed, Iran's Supreme Leader Ayatollah Ali Khamenei delivered a strong warning aimed at U.S. President Donald Trump during a speech in Tehran. Reacting to repeated claims by American leaders about U.S. military dominance, Khamenei said, "The U.S. president keeps saying that they have the strongest military force in the world. The strongest military force in the world may at times be struck so hard that it cannot get up again." He also referred to the growing U.S. naval presence in the region and dismissed it as insufficient to intimidate Iran. The Americans constantly say that they've sent a warship toward Iran. Of course, a warship is a dangerous piece of military hardware. However, more dangerous than that warship is the weapon that can send that warship to the bottom of the sea. Khamenei further rejected long-standing pressure from Washington, arguing that decades of confrontation had failed to weaken Iran. Emphasizing Iran's resilience, he added, "You too will not be able to do this."